Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt last session? Enter, sorry. Enterprise structure is completed, no? Correct? Enterprise structure. Any doubt? What was the last point? Tell me. EC01. Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Okay. What was the last point? EC01 completed.
No, sir.
What was the last point? Yesterday
And
point.
under material management, for until material is the last point completed. That's all.
That's what. After that, did you check that how to check that particular enterprise structure?
Yeah, that also done.
That is only EC01 I am talking. Let me show. Okay, I told you T code name is EC01. Check that one. Okay, under EC01 structure. Under structure, okay, navigation. Okay, navigation. Continue. What is the company name? LG05. So this I have shown you this point. Okay, this particular navigation. Is it correct? Everyone clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, last class we checked all the enterprise structure related concept. Like under enterprise structure, anyone completed this point? This all topic. Anyone practiced? Anyone practice this enterprise structure? Completed?
So still 2 to 3 steps are pending, sir.
Pending? Okay. Okay.
Yes, assigning company code to company,
Hmm.
then assigning plan to company code. These 2 steps has to be done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. You practice compulsory. Why means because parallelly if you practice, then only it is good for you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Right on. Today class. Okay. Some theoretical points are there. First, master data concepts. I'll start. Okay. Write down. First, types of data in SAP. Interview question. Interview question. This is types of data. First one is master data. The second one is transaction data. Third one is organization data. Three types of data in SAP. Okay, three types of data. Okay, data in SAP. Okay, first one is master data. What is meaning of master data means? Anybody? What is meaning of master data means? It never changes the data. Master data means it never changes the data. Which type of data it won't change? Date of birth, father name, mother name, okay, father name, okay, vendor number,
See,
okay, this type of data it never change. This data is a fixed data, okay, vendor number, material number, this data we
sir,
can call ah
sir,
hello
see the screen.
screen. Okay, okay, one second, sorry, I thought already shared. Okay, let's see now. Can you see my
It,
screen?
yeah, it is visible, sir.
Yeah, yeah, this navigation I created, see now, this navigation, correct? Last session, this navigation completed. This all the navigation related. EC01. Okay, now today class a new topic. Okay. Next, transaction data means it keep on changes the data. It keep on changes the data. It keep on changes the data. Which data will change? Like quantity, material quantity, okay, material price, okay, material quantity, material price. Okay, this data, okay, we can change. The transaction data means okay, this data it will be changed. Organization data means rarely changes the data. Which data will material quantity, material price in new data. Material quantity it keep on means quantity today like 500 kgs we require. Tomorrow it may vary your quantity related information. Price also today price it won't be tomorrow. The petrol price also you can see. The petrol price also. Okay, these are all you can call transaction data. Okay, transaction data in SAP. As a functional consultant, we will work both master data and as well as interview questions, pakka question, 100% questions. These are all. Okay, transaction data and master data we will work compulsory. Okay, without transaction data, without data, there is no SAP. Okay, there is no SAP. Rarely changes the data we can call. Rarely changes the data. We can call organization data like example plant information, company code information, plant and company code information. Okay, rarely. Okay, write down these 3 points. Yeah. Any doubt? Anybody? Definition? Any definition part?
No, sir.
Next. Okay. Next. Under master data, what are, like next interview question immediately? What are the types of master data in your SAP MM? What are the master data you are learning? Like that, the last question. What are the master data? Next question. What are the master data you learned in SAP MM? Master data in MM. These are all interview questions. All are interview questions. First one is material master data. Okay, today concept that is only I am going to start material master data. Second one, vendor master data. Third one, okay, source list. Fourth one, purchase info record. Fifth one, quota arrangement. Sixth one, service master data. This is last concept. Later we'll discuss. Okay, this 5 concept coming sessions we'll discuss one by one. These are all the master datas available in material management. Okay, different types of material master. Now, under that first side heading, what is material master data? Now we are going to discuss the material related information. Now today concept is material master data one by one. Okay, material master data. We can't complete today itself. Okay, maybe next coming sessions also will use. Because there are so many concepts or very important concepts under material master data. Very important. So many questions you can expect from this area only. Material master data, vendor master data. So many interview questions. Under that material master data, what exactly the meaning of material? How you can describe it? Okay, what is the meaning of material master data? What type of data? Okay, we will call material.
Like which
Okay,
contains
anybody?
company related material that which company has to procure, produce and sell.
Okay, which company is going to purchase the goods or procure the goods? Okay, procure the goods. Those all we can call okay material master data. Like example, take any manufacturing sector company. Okay, take manufacturing. Okay, like uh, raw material. Okay, raw material. Like Ballari, you can take it. In Ballari, we have the iron ore companies are there. So here, iron ore is the raw material. Final product is steel, like steel or whatever the iron. Some okay, different components like finished goods. Means here, entry is raw material, exit is finished material. Here, what type of products they are using? To, okay, even semi-finished also. Meaning, here raw material is one product, raw material is one product, semi-finished is one product, and finished is finished material is one product. Okay, finished material is one product. Here, These all are we can call material types. These are all whatever I am calling here material types. Material types for any industry, any company. Okay, any company. Okay, any company. Those particular types of material, like if you see the chemical companies, like tablet industries. Tablet chemical powder is a raw material. Final output is a okay tablet. Tablet is a finished material. There are this different types of forms once again 40 mg, 50 mg, 60 mg, 100 mg, 1000, 500 mg, like that. There are ra- ranges also. But here I'm not talking about the material. Even laptop also you can see. Laptop there are so many variants 14 inch, 13 inch, 10 inch, 15 inch, 17 inch. There are different types of variants. These are all materials. Okay, but I'm talking about material types. Okay, material types are different forms. We have to work those forms using material master data. Using material master data. Okay, very simple information. Material master data contains information of okay materials. Okay, write down that point. Okay, material master data it contains. Okay, what is material master data? If they ask, material master data it contains information of all materials of all materials information of all materials that company produces that company produces that company produce that company produces or purchases. We can call material master data. Any doubt? Anybody?
No, sir.
Under that material master data, there are first T code list is there. First we'll start with the T codes, so then tables, so then okay, then configuration, like that one by one I'll start. Today most of the points are theoretical related points. Then some points only will start because yesterday also okay, some not practiced I think yourself. Okay, you have to complete parallelly with me only. That's what today I'll try to cover the many points and theoretical points. And once if you complete yesterday points, then we'll start with the tomorrow class with the practical. Okay, with practical. I means first point. Transaction code list. Okay, transaction code list. Codes. Okay, list in SAP Material Master. A transaction code list in SAP Material Master. First T code list I am giving MM01 create material, MM02 change material, MM03 pakka interview questions. These are all are interview questions only. Display material, create material master data or create material master, whatever you can call. MM04 okay, display changes material. MM05 is not there, MM06 is there. Deletion flag, we'll work all the T codes. Okay, deletion flag for material. MMAM, change material type. Change material type. Change material type. Next, MM60, material report, material list report. Okay, material list report. Okay, MM60. MMBE, stock list. This last classes will work. In inventory management will work. In inventory will work. Okay, MMBE. Okay, MMBE. Okay, MM60. MMRV. Okay, MMRV. Exact definition will give. Okay, MMRV. Allow posting to previous periods. Allow posting to the previous periods. MMPV. Okay, MMPV. MMPV. Close periods. Okay, close periods. Very, very important. These two are supporting issues. Okay, these two are supporting issues. Supporting T codes. Okay, supporting point related T codes. Okay, MMRV. Okay, MMRV, MMPV. Okay, MMRV, MMPV. Next, these are all the important transaction codes under material master data. Under material master data, under that, okay, MMRV, MMPV, MM60, MM01, very important. Okay, MMA, okay, very, very important. MM01, MM02, MM60, MMBE, MMRV, MMPV. These 6 T codes frequently we'll use. These 6 transaction codes, okay, we can use frequently. Okay, next, material master database tables. Okay, we have T codes. These are all T code list. Then we have database tables. Okay, T codes. Where you can use T codes directly on the command bar. Okay, here we can use it. Okay, here we can use the transaction codes. Otherwise, I'll show the path only here only. Write down path to check the material master data T codes. To check the material master data T codes, go to logistics. Okay, material management. Okay, under SAP menu, this is not command bar. Okay, SAP menu, logistics. Okay, material management. Okay, material management. Under material management, we have material master. Under material master. Under material master, material. Under material. Under material, we have. Under material, we have. We have material general. Material general. Under that, MM01 means create material. MM02 means change material. MM02 means change material. MM03 means display material. Like that, we have to understand clearly all the T codes list. Okay, T code list. Okay, like this you can cross check the path. Okay, this is path that whatever T code list I had given to you, those are all direct transaction codes. You have to remember some transaction code compulsory, and you have to remember the path also. Your wish. If you remember the path, it is good. If you remember the T code, that is also good. Okay, T code. But T codes only to crack the interview. Okay, these are all whatever T codes are written here. All transaction codes are interview questions. Okay, interview questions. Next, like that, we have another concept name called database tables. Means whenever you create the material master data, whenever you create the MM01 code, MM01T code, the data will be stored in tables. That concept name only you can call database tables. That next concept name is database tables. The concept name is database tables. Material master database tables. The material master database tables. 5 tables are very important. All are pakka interview questions. 100% question. These 5 tables. Total around 12 to 13 tables are there. All these 13 tables are interview questions. Okay, today only all I am giving only material master related. Vendor master data separately, purchase order data separately, purchase requisition table separately. I will give you this all around 12 13 tables. Very important questions. Okay, many interviews frequently ask questions. They ask this interview questions. That's what you have to remember these tables also. Even I'll show the directly tables, ABAP related tables also. I'll show it. First table name, very important table name. That is without this table there is no SAP only. That is only you can call table name is Mara. Mara means material master table. That is on directly material master table. Very important. Okay, so much data will be stored in this material master only. First table, that is okay, Mara is nothing but a material master table. MAKT is nothing but another table. This is material text table. Text related information will be stored here. MERA, Okay, material text table. Okay, material plant data table. MERC is nothing but material plant data table. MERD is nothing but a material storage location. Storage location table. A storage table. MBEW. Okay, material valuation table. Okay, MBW is nothing but a material valuation table. Okay, material valuation table. Okay, these 5 are the interview questions, table related interview questions. Okay. To check all these database tables, we can use in future also I'll discuss. Write down this one, SC16N or SC11. Okay, SC16N. Okay, SC11. SC16N or SC11. These two are the T codes. Now what I'll do? I'll discuss now these T codes only right now. Okay, there is no practical today, more practical. Only table related will work out. Okay, the only is table related will work out. First, let me show the one table. In future, maybe tomorrow class once if I create some material, the time also we'll see that one. Okay, maybe tomorrow we can't create all the material master. Day after tomorrow only we'll create it. Next class only. But material creation, one after completion also I'll show the same example. Before going to that particular material master data creation, how to cross check the database tables. Okay, right. To cross check the database tables, to cross check the material master tables, or any tables, not only this material, any tables, vendor tables or any tables. Okay, any tables. Either we can go to the SC11 or you can go to SC16N. Okay, SC16N. Okay, 16N. First, I'll explain through SC16N only simple way. Okay, right. Steps. Okay, go to SC. Okay, 16N. Okay, go to SC16N. Okay, go to SC16N. I'll repeat you. Under command bar, enter SC16N. Okay, enter SC16N. Okay, enter SC16N. Enter. Enter the table name. Okay, what is the MERA table name, that is MERA. Enter the table name. enter. This is the first table, Mara table. Okay, this is the first table, Mara table. I entered here. Just click enter button. Then it will show all these are all the field names, technical names. These are all the technical names. These are all the technical names. Here we have one option, okay, F8. Okay, F8. Okay, click on F8. Okay, click on F8. See now all the data it will show. Okay, all the data it will show here. Now it is displayed here. See now 500 entries are displayed here. 500, sorry. Okay, 500 entries. But I want to see all the data. Okay, I want to see all the data. Okay, go back. Remove here 500 entries. 500 it's remove and click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. See total entries it will show clearly. Still running. See now how many entries are there total? 17,789 entries are there. Okay, 17,789 entries. Okay, these all are entries. It is SAP defined entries. Okay, these are all entries are SAP defined entries. Now, what exactly your role here? Okay, what exactly your role here? Why you have to check means because in future we will create our own material. Example, 100 material you create. 100 is the number. That number is created or not, we have to cross check that one. Meaning in MM01, let me show you. In MM01, that MM01 is nothing but this is a front end screen, create material. In this screen, if you create material, this material will be stored. This material will be stored in this table. Okay, in this table. This material data will be stored in this table. Okay, here if it is stored, then we have to cross check that material. Is it okay, that is created or not? Okay, we will see here material number. Okay, we'll see that material number. Like example, 100 I will enter. Okay, 100. If it is there, it will show. Okay, if it is there, it will show. Execute. Okay, click on execute. See, 100 value is not existed. Okay, let me enter another value. Okay, another value 100 hyphen 100. I think it is there. See now 100 hyphen 100. It is a material number. It is created on 1994. Created by Baller. so and so changed 2012. This is the information. HALB means semi-finished goods, material group, product, basic material related information. Everything is stored here. Okay, everything is stored here. Okay, all the information of this material related product hierarchy. The product hierarchy, everything it is clearly mentioned here. This is only one material. Okay, one material. The same material, same. What is the material number? Same material. I told you here five tables: MAKT, MERC, MERD, MB. Even you can check the table also. Those tables also. Let me open one more table. How to open the session? How to open the session? Another session. I entered already Mara. One more session I will open. SC 16N. Same table, same screen. Same screen. Then material number 100-100. Hundred. Okay, execute. Okay, click on execute. See the disk. Oh, sorry, this is Mara only. MAKT I will enter. MAKT. Second table. Second table. Any table you can enter, but second table is description. Let's see the output here. Same material with different languages it is stored. Okay, I don't want all the languages. Let me execute only English language. EN. Okay, only EN I will execute. Next here, what is the material number? What is the material number here? 100-100. 100-100. Same material is here. Okay, same material is here. Same material is here. Here material related general information. Here material related description information. That is a difference. Okay, that is a difference. One okay, description, one table. Okay, one description, one table. Okay, this is the procedure. Like that, so many tables. Okay, we have all 5 tables. You can cross check. This is another table. I opened one more table. SC16N. Okay, SC16N. Enter MARC. Okay, enter. Same material number. This is plant data. Okay, which plant that is? Okay, 1 second. 100 material. Why it is displayed? Okay. You just observe now. This 100 material, it is not only in plant 1 only. Plant only one plant. There are so many plants. 17 plants are there. Observe now. 7 plant 1000, plant 1100, plant 1200, plant means this material is existed in all plants. This material is existed in all 7500, 9000, 9000, 80 like that. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, this is the procedure to verify the material. To verify the material plant wise, we can use MARC to verify the material. Okay, we can use here MARC. This is the way. Okay, we can cross check the all the database tables. Everyone is clear this point? Everyone clear this point?
Yes, sir.
About database table. Say now all 5 tables I had given. I have shown you 3 tables. Okay, three tables. Same procedure, other tables also. MERD, MBEW also. Meaning, very simple. User can create the data. User can create the data. This data will be stored in tables. Which format means this is only format. Rows and columns. This row is nothing but here only one row, one record. This is only we can call record. Row is nothing but here record. Okay, rows are nothing but a number of records. Okay, rows are nothing but a number of records. It's clear now, this point? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody is having
No,
any
sir.
doubt? Ask me about tables. Okay, this today concept. Okay, you cross check the remaining two tables also today. MERD, MBEW also you can cross check. Now, just once again, I'll revise you. What are the points we covered today? First, I started with what is master data. What are the types of data? Okay, three types of data I discussed. Then under that material master data. I'm sorry, what is master data I discussed. It never changes the data. Transaction data, organization data, definitions also had given. Then after that, what are the types of master data? Question is they will ask like that, but now still we are working. What are the types of master data in I had given? But in interviews, what are the types of master data you practiced? You knew it. Okay, they will ask question like that. You have to explain this all the material master data, vendor master data, source list, purchase info record, quote arrangement, services. Then after that, they'll ask the question, what is material master data? Then, okay, still there are material types are there. Later I will give you. Okay, next session only. Otherwise you will confuse. Material types. There are so many material types are there in okay, in market. We have the raw material, finishing material, semi-finished material, retail materials, services, okay, services. These all are all standard material types. Pipeline, gas. Okay, gas is also one type of material that we can call pipeline material. Gas cylinder. This is also one type of material. Gas cylinder also one type of material. Gas is one type of material. Cylinder. Okay, like that. According to the business, this material type will vary. All these material types, I will give you. Okay, clearly in next session only. Okay, next session. Okay, that okay we can call material master. Under that we have so many interview questions. It is related to material master data. Okay, it is related to material master data. MM01, MM02, MM03, MM04, MM06, MMAM, MM60, MMBE, MMRV, MMPV. Okay, these are all the transaction codes. Okay, these are all the transaction codes we have. Okay, list of the transaction codes on material master data. Okay, under that questions also they will ask in interview questions also they'll ask. Okay, next material master tables we can call material master database tables. This is not database actually, database tables. This is database tables. Under that, 5 tables are very important tables. Frequently, we can use these database tables in okay in SAP MM. Okay, any record if you create, okay, this all 5 fields. Any record, any material master data record, if you create it, this all the records will be saved into these 5 fields, 5 tables. If these 5 tables are not filled, then your material master data is wrong. You cannot integrate with the SAP MM with the FICO warehouse management. Okay, that's why these 5 tables are very important, very important. And whenever user will create the data, all 5 tables are filled. Then only that material we can use it for integration. Otherwise, you will get error in future sessions. Okay, you will feature. Okay, one example also will discuss coming coming session, maybe day after tomorrow or Monday or any other session. Okay, clearly. Okay, clearly. This is about the database table. All five tables using SC16N or SC11 we can use it. SC11 still I did not start. That is little bit technical related. Okay, separately I will discuss in coming session. Okay, SC11 related. Okay, this is about the just theoretical points under material master data. Today, okay, I did not start any practical oriented on material master data. Okay, practical oriented. Tomorrow class, okay, I'll start the basic sessions. Okay, basic about what is material master data, MM01, what is material number, what are the like MM01. Okay, once if I start MM01, what is material, what is the length of the material, what is industry sector, okay, what are the material types are there. Okay, these are all interview questions. Then how to create industry sector, how to create material types, which type of industry you are working. Okay, after that, what are exactly the maximum length of the material. These all interview questions and practical oriented. Okay, interview questions and practical oriented. Okay, maximum I'll try to create one material tomorrow. Okay, for practical purpose, you have to practice by these weekends for that purpose. I'll create it one or two materials tomorrow class only. Okay, once if I create these materials, then we have so many concepts under material master data. Okay, there are default. Okay, there are mandatory related fields. This all okay, will work out in coming session. Will work out in coming sessions. Yeah. Ask me anybody. Okay, any doubt? Yeah. Any doubt? Any doubt today class?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Then complete. Okay, your exercises, last class exercise. Okay. Okay. Then be ready with the tomorrow session. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start with a new topic. Okay. New topic. New topic means creation of material only. Okay. For that.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Complete this exercise. Yesterday, last class exercise. You can complete it today.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. I'll stop it today and we'll continue tomorrow. So that's
Okay.
when Punit.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Manju. Practice. Manjunath.
Yes, sir.
Practicing. Okay. Good. Good.
Yes, sir. Practice.
Sure. Sure. Okay. Complete all exercises. So once again. Two times at least
Okay.
practice two times. Minimum one or two times minimum. Okay. One time. Okay. Two times you practice, then you will get errors. Okay. You'll get errors. You have to solve your own errors. But if you are not solving that error, immediately you can post it in WhatsApp. Okay, screenshot we required. Okay, screenshot we required to solve that error. Otherwise, next class you have to share your screen. Yeah, I'll stop it. Means up to now you won't get any error because that much difficulty is not there. Okay, in coming sessions, once if I start purchase order, then you will face the issues. Okay, that time only integration related issues will face it. But right now you won't get any error because this is plain creation only, plain creation. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, welcome. Bye.